Hi, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. We are back with our new collections. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 96490 I repeat 96490 and our second number is 9602265 So I start with my first design. For any orders, please take screenshots and send us on those numbers. This is just a kurti in bandhni print. See the kurti with complete handwork on the neck. Mask along with this. We have 3 colors in this. This is red. Second is bottle green. And third is yellow. So we have 3 kurtis in bandhni. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 995. Now this is also a muslin kurti. This is again only kurta in muslin. See the complete handwork on the neck. We have 2 colors in this, green and blue. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1095. Pure muslin fabric. This is also a muslin kurta. See the pita work on the neck. See the printed pants with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1595. 1595 is the price. We have 2 colors in this, blue and white. So 2 colors. This is again a muslin kurta. See the gota detailings on the neck. Tassels in the center. Muslin pants with this. These are cotton pants. Muslin kurta with cotton pants. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1495. Bandhni print it is. This is again a muslin kurta. See the work on the neck. Tassels in the center. Gota detailings on the side slits. Plain contrast pants with this. And cotton dupatta with this. With gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. This is again a muslin kurta. See the handwork on the neck with gota detailings. Muslin pants along with this. And muslin stroll dupatta with this. Muslin stroll dupatta with gota detailings. So we have 2 colors in this, pink and sky blue. So 2 colors. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. 1795. Now this is a cotton kurta. See the sequence work with gota detailings on the top. Gota detailings on the side slits. These are the cotton pants with this, with good crochet detailings. And this has got full dupatta with this. With gota detailings on the sides and in the center of the dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1695. This is again a cotton kurta. See the crochet detailings on the top. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. See the pants with this. The pants are very beautiful in this. And this is kota duriya dupatta with crochet detailings. Stroll dupatta it is. This is not a full dupatta, stroll dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1695. 1695. This is again a cotton kurta. This is cotton muslin fabric with handwork on the neck. See the handwork with mirror work. Crochet detailings on the side slits. Melange pants with these. kurtis, and pure chiffon dupatta. Pure chiffon dual shade full dupatta with borders. We have 3 colors in this. This is blue with green combination. Second is pink. And the third one is blue. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. This is again a cotton kurta. See the work on the neck. Contrast pants with these plain pants and kota doria dupatta with borders. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1495. 1495 is the price. This is again a bandi print kurta. See the handwork on the neck. See the pants with handwork on the pants as well. Complete worked sleeves. Tassels on both the sides. And chanderi dupatta with this. Full dupatta. So we have 2 colors in this, pink and sky blue. 2 colors. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1695. 1695 is the price. This is again a cotton kurta. See the embroidery on the neck. Polka dots all over the kurta. Stripes pants with these. And pure chiffon dupatta. This is a stroll dupatta, not a full dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1595. Again a bandi print kurta. See the gotapatti work on the neck with crochet detailings and gota detailings. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. On the side slits. See the printed pants with this. And the dupatta. Printed dupatta with crochet detailings. This is again a full dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. Now again melange kurta. See the design. Embroidery on the neck. Embroidery on the side slits. See the pants with gota detailings, melange, and pure chiffon dual shade dupatta. I'm getting very nice response for these dresses, so please book as soon as possible. We have very limited stock for these. We have white color. Second is this green, and third one is dark green. So we have only 3 combinations in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2395. Again a melange kurta. See the embroidery all over the kurta. Just have a look. Pants with gota detailings and pure chiffon dual shade dupatta. Single color in this design. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2595. 2595 is the price. Now this is a muslin kurta. Pure muslin fabric it is. See the embroidery all over the kurta. Just have a look. These are the pants with these. Plain pants. And with organza dupatta. See the organza dupatta. Embroidery is there on the dupatta also. Embroidery is there on the sleeves as well. We have 3 colors in this. And the third is this blue. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are Only 40 and 42 sizes available. Can be converted into 38 and can be converted into 46 as well. Margins there inside. So only 40 and 44 sizes ready available in these three. Now this is also pure muslin fabric kurta. See the embroidery on the neck. Embroidery all over the kurta. See the plazo pants with this. This is not a full plazo. This is semi plazo with this embroidery on the plazo as well. And organza dupatta. Contrast organza dupatta with embroidery all over the dupatta. We have two colors in this, peach and blue. In blue, this is the contrast dupatta. So sizes are the same in this also, 40 and 44 ready sizes. Price is 3095. Now this is again a cotton kurta. See the embroidery on the neck. Now this is with divider. See the divider with gota detailings. And pure chiffon lehriya dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1995. Now this is a cotton kurta again. This is muslin cotton. See the gota work on the neck. Gota work on the side slits. This is a very heavy and a unique design with tassels on both the sides. See the heavy sharara with this. And gota doria dupatta with these gota detailings. And this is there with this potli. So we have three colors in this, pink, blue and yellow. Three colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. So 2395 is the price. This is again a cotton kurta. See the gota detailings on the neck. This is again a bandi print kurta. Bandi print sharara with this, with gota detailings. And the dupatta, silk dupatta with this. That is also in bandi print. So this we have three colors in this, blue, orange and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. Now this is a peplum, block print peplum it is. See the yoke, work is there on the yoke, inner attached with this. See the block print sharara, I'll show you the sharara. See the gota detailings on the center of the sharara. This is complete block print sharara kurta. And the dupatta, stroll dupatta with borders. We have two colors in this, blue and orange. So two colors in this. Sizes available are again 40 and 44, can be customized into 38 and 46 as well. So price is 2795. Now we have these kaftans in bandi. See the gota detailings. We have this adjustable in the center. See the pants with these. We have two colors in this, green and blue. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1595, cotton fabric. Again a bandi print kaftan. See the handwork on the neck with gota patti work. See the crochet detailings all over the sides with gota detailings. And pants along with this. with crochet detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44. We have two colors in this, pink and red. So two colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $16.95. Now I'll show you all the dresses. This is a chikankari dress. Blue color it is. All over this is embroidery on the front and see the back. All over embroidery on the sleeves as well. We have two colors in this, blue and pink. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $1695. Now this is a kalamkari print kurta. See the gotapatti work on the neck, tassels on the sides, gota detailings on the bottom. We have got pants also with this and chiffon dupatta. This is contrast dupatta, yellow with red combination. Pants are yellow only. We have two colors in this, yellow and pink. With pink, dupatta is yellow, kalamkari print. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $2095 is the price. Now this is a long dress. See the embroidery on the neck with crochet detailings. Crochet detailings on the bottom of the kurta. Printed pants with these. And the dupatta. This is a stole dupatta with crochet detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $1995. See the flare. Full flare dress it is. This is again a cotton dress. This can be adjusted from both the sides. So tassels there on both the sides. Adjustables are there on both the sides. Embroidery on the neck. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. We have these printed pants with this. And the contrast cotton dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is $1795 is the price. Again a printed dress. See the gota detailings on the center. Gota detailings all over the kurta. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the pants with this. Printed pants and full cotton dupatta with this. This is cotton full dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $1795. $1795 is the price. And this is again a full flat dress. Now again, as per the season, bandi dress with complete gota detailings on the top, gota detailings on the center, gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta, tassels on the sides, lehriya pants with this, and the dupatta. Chiffon dupatta. Full dupatta it is. We have two colors in this, red and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is $1795. Now this is a lehriya dress. Full length dress it is. 50-51 is the length. Gota detailings with gota patti work with mirror work on the top. Gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. These are the pants with this pink. And Nazneen dupatta with gota detailings, contrast dupatta, yellow. Now we have four colors in this. This is pink with yellow. Second is this green with yellow. Blue with red combination in this. As per the season, we are giving you lehriya, with this yellow and red combination. All the combinations are really different and nice, so you can pick as per your requirement. Sizes available are 38 to 46, 38 to 44, sorry, and the price is 1895. 1895 is the price. Now at the end, the one I'm wearing, see the kurta. Chikankari work is there all over the kurta. This is complete work on the kurta. See the neck with complete embroidery. See the lace on the bottom of the kurta. Plain pants with this. And the Kota Doria dupatta. Full dupatta it is. We have two colors in this. The one I'm wearing is lemon yellow and the another one is blue. So we have two colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2195. So we have very limited stock. Please book as soon as possible and give us 48 hours for your queries to be resolved. You can place the queries on both the numbers, but please one person should place the query on one number only. Please don't put your queries on both the numbers. It would be really difficult for us to answer. Thank you so much everyone for your love. Thank you.